Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Little Talk. This is your girl song right here, and today I'm going to talk about the 5 bad habits which you need to stop right there. The one in the list, the first and foremost thing, is using your phone right after waking up. Sometimes it happens that even when you haven't opened your eyes, you go for your phone right there under your pillow and you start hopping into those social media: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and whatnot. So you need to stop this habit right now, because what happens is that when you, as soon as you wake up with fresh mind, you hop into those social media, you check out everything, all of the stories and feeds, the posts of people. You will have the psychology of tending to have all those things. Of course, we are human beings. We will have the tendency to get attracted to the fanciful things which we always admire, right? We will be thinking, oh, just look at her, she's having a wonderful lifestyle. Just look at him, how great his dress up is. I wish I could have that kind of relationship. They are couple goals, all sorts of things. Because we are reminding ourselves every morning that we are not happy in our life, the way we are. So you need to stop it right there and work for our own betterment from the start of the day. And the second thing is, stop biting your nail. You might be biting it right now when you're watching this video, right? So you need to stop biting it and need to know the importance of why you need to stop it. Firstly, you don't want those weird kind of looking the fingernails right in their beautiful fingers. When you continuously start biting the nails, there will be an abnormal growth of fingernails. So who wants that, right? I can understand that those things are out of anxiety or out of curiosity, out of nervousness, and even when you are hungry. But still, you need to stop it. Secondly, we know that we have been touching so many things all throughout the day, so many things with our fingers. And what happens is that germs, they have the favorite spot, that is the fingertips, and our fingernails is the perfect hideout for them. And when you take those things right out there in your mouth, there's a feast going on, but you really don't have any idea what kind of funeral will be there right inside your stomach and intestine and whatnot. So you can understand the disaster it can happen, right? So you need to stop it right now. Thirdly, stop going to your bed with your face full of makeup. This is the worst thing which we all the girls do whenever we are tired, whenever we are lazy, to clean up our face before going to bed, because we are lazy, right? But honestly, it won't take more than 10 to 15 minutes to clean up your face and follow whatever this nighttime skincare routine you have to have the clear, glowy skin which we all want, right? We don't want all kind of mess, all kind of pimples, uninvited guests on our face or in the morning or maybe after tomorrow. So it's very important to take care of the skin if you want that glowy, healthy looking skin. Stop going to bed with your makeup on. In number 4, we have very bad habit of replacing our water thirst with soda or the sugary cold drinks. You might be doing it right now, right? Stop it right there. Go and drink your water. Please stop right there, honestly. This is the worst thing which we do to our body. You know what? I have seen lots of people who can drink those sugary cold drinks or soda all throughout the day. Like 2 liters, 4 liters, or whatever the quantity they are provided with. But you never know the medical cost which you have to pay in the future, which you are playing with your health at the moment. In order to avoid all the circumstances, please stop drinking soda like you're drinking your water. I do understand you're thirsty, you want to have something full of flavor. Why not water? We have so many health issues when we drink soda or cold drinks every single day. Firstly, your dental health will get deteriorated, your heart disease, your diabetes, your kidney problem, and also we think that the cold drinks will help you in hydration. No, instead it will go backward. That is dehydration will cause. Okay, so you need to stop in order to take care of your health. And the last but not the least is stop taking your phone to the washroom. I have like known so many people, and yes, are still there. I don't know why. We do have ample of time and we have been using our phone all throughout the day whenever we're free, right? But try to leave your phone whenever you're using washroom or toilet. You know the amount of germs you are taking out of that place? It's so gross. You need to understand this. Trust me. And I really don't want to talk about the transfer of the viruses from that place to your bed, even your food. That's the worst thing. Like, that is the main worst habit which I wanted to talk, and I have been talking to so many people, like personally, those I have seen taking the phone to the washroom while pooping. I don't know why. So guys, these are some of the bad habits which we all of us follow one or the other, which we have already inculcated in our daily routine and can't get rid of it because it has become a habit, a part of our daily life. But do not forget that every single step counts. If you try today and if you continue tomorrow, day after tomorrow, a week, a month, it will go away one day or the other. Just try focusing on that and try to adopt some new good habit. Okay? So guys, if you like this particular video, please do not forget to like, and please do share it if you want your families or your friends to know about those things, about the bad habit that they have, and in order to stop them from those things, do share it as well. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe. I'll be coming up with some more exciting and fun topics.